Good morning. Well, actually, it's not morning, it's afternoon. It is 12:26 here in Hermitage, Tennessee, October the 20th, 2018. Now, with that out of the way, I've got an announcement to make. As most of you know, Google Plus is going away. It will cease operations in August of 2019. The exact date has not been released yet. In order to have a nice, smooth transition to some other home for the user-to-user community here on Google+, we've been looking at several options. Right now, the one that we're looking at, and appears to me at least to be the most promising, is MeWe. In the description down below in this video, you will find links where you can contact me on MeWe. I have set up a live group over on MeWe, user-to-user live. I also show 2 support links once you get on MeWe if you need help or anything. So far, we've been testing it. It looks very good. You can set up private groups. You can bring video in. It's a lot like the old Google Hangouts. It really is. It's got a nice separate chat. You can fix it so your video stays and you get the chat down the side, sort of like YouTube does now and everything. It's really neat. There'll be a video coming out about that, but I just wanted to let you know what the plans are going forward. Now, some of you have already come over to MeWe. You've been helping us test. This is for the members of user-to-user live on Google+. If you choose to come over, I ask that you do not share these links right away. I don't want to be overwhelmed with, bunches of people coming in. If you're a member of user-to-user, yes, come over right away. Just don't share it with your other networks yet till we get together, look at some stuff, figure out the best way to do things, because right now, although I've set up the group, user-to-user live, and it is in the, quote, technical category over on MeWe. MeWe has a bunch of categories you can choose from. There is no way to categorize posts within that group. It looks like we may have to resort to hashtags or something. That's what we need to talk about, but we need to play in it over there to find out exactly what that's capable of. So if any of you would like to join and come over and help us test and start laying the foundations, we'd be more than happy to help you. As I said, contacts are in the description below, and we look forward to seeing you over there. Thanks for watching.